Hi guys and welcome to another video. Today I'm doing something slightly different. I'm going to be trying to create Lisa's look for the new MAC campaign. So Lisa from Blackpink was recently announced as the new MAC ambassador. And though I'm normally 50-50 about who they choose to collaborate with, I'm all for their choice of Lisa. Not only Lisa, but the girl group Blackpink in general are very much on trend. And in fact, I would go as far as saying that they are more than on trend. They lead fashion, they lead trends all the time. So it makes every sense to make Blackpink or Lisa their ambassador. Alongside Lisa's Instagram announcement, she had a look on which was very much that fierce feline flick eyeliner with glitter pigment on top, as well as sort of soft, flawless skin and luscious lips. So that's a look that I want to recreate today. If you don't know anything about Blackpink, where on earth have you been? They are everywhere at the moment. So just to give you a bit of background, they're a K-pop group. They were the first K-pop group ever to perform at Coachella. They have done collaborative songs with 𝕬𝕠𝕚𝕚, Selena Gomez, Lady Gaga, and more recently Cardi B as well. They are on fire, and I hope I do this look some justice. So let's get ready together to create Lisa's look.
Can I dance for you? Would that be cool?
So I've already done my base because that's not really the key part of the look. So her base was very much flawless. She's very, very pale, very K-pop, where it's all about the pale skin. With her base, nothing really stands out. So you can't see any strong contouring, you can't see any strong blush or even highlight. But one thing that does stand out is like just an overall lit from within glow. So it was slightly radiant, slightly glowy. So that's what I've tried to achieve with my base today. Secondly, she had a very feline flick strong eyeliner. The reason it doesn't look as strong on her is because they've gone over with a glittery pigment, which is what I'm going to do today. So I've prepped my base, I've prepped my liner, and let's get started. So what Lisa's makeup artist used was the MAC Dazzleshadow liquid. So I purchased the 3 shades that I believe that they used. I don't know if they used all 3, like a combination of all 3, or whether it was like 2 or even 1, but let's have a look at the shades now. I'll obviously also do swatches for you so you can see everything. So this is the wand. Almost looks like a lip gloss wand. So this is color Not Afraid to Sparkle. As you can see, it's pretty transparent, but it's got the prettiest amount of glitter particles and sparkle, so Not Afraid to Sparkle indeed. This is Diamond Crumble, so you can see that it's almost got that hologram effect. I like to call it the unicorn tears effect. So it's absolutely gorgeous. Again, it's very transparent, but it's got more of a jewel tone to it. Next up, this is Panthertized, so it's more of a purpley tone, but it's gorgeous. I'm not normally a purple fan, but this is stunning, and it really reminds me of an oil spill, which sounds like a weird compliment, but I do find oil spills beautiful. You look one way, it looks a certain color, you look another way, it's another color, so it's absolutely gorgeous. So this is what the packaging looks like of all 3 colors. And it's a generous amount, like it'll definitely last you for sure. So I'm going to go in with the darkest colour first, as that seems to make most sense. So I'm going to go in with Panthertized first. Now, since the wand is so big, I'm going to go in with a separate eyeliner brush to apply. So where I've already swatched it, I'm just going to add a gloop to the back of my hand. I'm going in with a small brush. I'm going to layer it on top of the existing liquid liner that I've got on now, which is black. If you want to do a glittery eye and want impact, it's always a good idea to add a black liner or a dark liner underneath to add a bit more depth, and it allows the sparkle to really show through as well. So I've just added Panthertized to one eye. You can see the difference between normal black matte and one with the purple liner. So I'll do the same on the other eye quickly. What I really like about this liquid is that I added a little bit of a gloop on the back of my hand, as you know, to apply it. And normally where I've done that in the past with other sort of sparkly shadows, it dries up so quickly that I'm constantly finding that I have to dip in again, whereas I didn't have to do this with the MAC liquid eyeshadow. So now you can see that I've added on both eyes Panthertized. So it's a gorgeous purpley colour. And from a distance, you can't really see the purple, but it adds a little bit of oomph and pizzazz to the eye. I'm going to let it dry a bit, and then I'm going to go in with the diamond crumbles and layer it on top. So again, just adding a little bit of a gloop to the back of my hand, and I'll go and apply this now. So that is with diamond crumbles on top. I don't know if it translates on camera, but it's so pretty. It literally reminds me of a rainbow. And again, you wouldn't think so, but it's added another dimension to this eyeliner. So what I'll try and do is do a zoom in so you can really see up close my eyeliner, because it's absolutely stunning. And funnily enough, had I not done this video, these aren't colours that normally I would have gravitated towards. I am very thankful for this video because now I've discovered amazing not only liners and shadows, but a new look to do. Last but not least, for the eyes, I've got the Not Afraid to Sparkle, which is more of a wearable colour, I would say, in general. But I feel like this should have been named after me because I'm certainly not afraid to sparkle. It's this gorgeous colour. I'm going in with another clean brush, and I'll go on top again. If you are doing this look with me, don't forget to cover the wing as well, because all of it is glittery. So you can still see the base as a black, but it's just so gorgeous. I know I keep saying it, but it really is. It really reminds me of an idea where you can do for a New Year's Eve look. So sometimes you don't want that crazy all over glitter eye, which is fine. I mean, I'm all into that, but if you're not into a really super sparkly eye but want something fun for New Year's Eve, this is an idea where you could do a black wing and then add some glitter on top. Next that the liner is done, we're going to go in with a little bit of mascara before I go in with the MAC false lashes, just to add a bit of oomph again to the eyes. So I've just gone ahead and applied the tiniest amount of mascara to my top lashes. I'm just going to do the false lashes before I coat my lower lashes with mascara as well. So I'm going in with lash number 33, that's what it looks like. In all honesty, I don't normally use MAC lashes. Again, don't have anything against them, I just prefer Ardell. So I'm going in with the Duo Lash Adhesive, which I love. As you know, this is the slightly different version where you can just brush it on. So it comes with a tiny brush where you can apply directly to the strip lash just there. So whilst I'm just applying that and waiting for it to dry, one thing I wanted to say about the eyeliner liquid shadow that I'm so impressed about is how there was no glitter fallout. I honestly have so much trouble with glitter, as much as I love it, where it falls where your concealer is and it just gets really messy, but I didn't have any of that with this, so I was so impressed. So I've just done the lashes in number 33 and they are so pretty. When I saw the picture of Lisa, they're probably her natural lashes, let's be honest guys, because celebrities just seem to be born with perfect everything. Her lashes were gave her like a doe-eyed look. So normally I prefer having more the fluttered out lashes where it's a bit more dramatic on the ends to create more of a feline look. But Lisa's got quite naturally big round eyes, so I deliberately chose these lashes, which give a little bit of lift and volume, but they're not in your face. If you see the eye makeup that she has on, it's not like overly dramatic. So these lashes are perfect. It's the first time I'm using MAC lashes and the first time I'm obviously using these number 33, but I will definitely be buying them again in the future. I absolutely love them. I'm just going to quickly go in and apply some mascara to the bottom lashes. So those are the eyes completed. So now moving on to the lips. I'm very excited to be showing you this new launch called the Showstopper Powder Kiss Lipstick Kit. So Powder Kiss from MAC lipsticks are probably some of my favorite lipsticks, but there's something about them that's almost like it's matte, but it's non-drying. It's very velvety, if I can describe the texture, and the colors in that line like on point with almost every single color in that line. So this features 5, I believe, of Lisa's favorite lipsticks. I'll put all the prices down below because I believe this is more cost effective than purchasing the colors separately. The packaging obviously is very Christmassy, is very pink. What more can I say? So this is what it looks like. You lift up the lid and ta-da! Very nice. And to be honest, this is something that you could just pop onto your makeup table. It's very, very pretty. Obviously it's in limited edition packaging because normally it'd been in standard black packaging. It feels really nice. God, I don't want to look like a weirdo stroking lipsticks, but this feels really, really nice. Anyway, comes with 𝕊𝕕𝕣𝕚𝕗. So this is the lip color that she was wearing in the campaign or on for the Instagram photo. I'll apply that one last because of that reason. Stay Curious, I've never tried this before. Fall in Love, very bright color. Werk, 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 Rihanna style. And last but not least, Devoted to Chilli. So I already have Devoted to Chilli and 𝕊𝕐𝕣𝕚𝕗, which are really famous colors. I don't, to be honest, know if these 3 in the middle are limited edition colors or whether they're in the existing collection. I'll put it on the screen now, but let's try them. And like I said, I'm going to try 𝕊𝕐𝕚𝕚𝕚 last. So I'm just going to go in order of the lipsticks. To prep my lips, I had put some balm on. So I'll remove that now. So this is what Devoted to Chilli looks like. It's probably one of my favorite autumnal lip colors. That bricky tone, burnt tone. It's not as dark as it comes across on camera. That's on the back of my hand, so it's like a burnt red. But it's such a gorgeous color. I'm not going to neaten it up more than this, although I could. It's not about being neat. I just want to show you all the range of colors. But I really love this color. Like I said, it's my favorite autumnal lip. Next is Werk, 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 which looks to be a very kind of classic bluey red. Got it swatched on the back of my hand. Let's apply it. You know I'm a fan of a red. Because the lipsticks are very, very new, it's so easy to define the lips even without a lip pencil. So this is Werk, Werk, Werk. It's such a gorgeous classic red. You know I love matte red lipsticks. So this is definitely going to join the happy red lipstick family. Really, really love it. By the way, I didn't say before, these lipsticks are so lightweight. Obviously I've tried them before. It feels like there's barely anything on your lips. They feel really creamy, even though they obviously have a matte velvety finish. And lastly, they do have a slight vanilla scent, but it's not overpowering because I hate vanilla scents, but this one I can live with. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Fall in Love. This is probably the color that scared me the most when I saw it online. It's just a very, very bright, what looks like neon pink. So wish me luck. So this is the color Fall in Love. It's actually a really nice color. I think it comes across brighter in real life than it does on camera. It's definitely not a lip color I would gravitate towards or normally wear, but I really, really like it. There's something quite funky about it. It works. And that's the swatch of Fall in Love. Next up, we're trying Stay Curious. It looks like a color I would love. Again, it's very autumnal. So let's swatch it on my hand. Yeah, it's gorgeous. And let's give it a go. So this is Stay Curious. Absolutely love this color. It's definitely going to be added into my top autumnal lip colors. It's such a gorgeous sort of berry red. I absolutely love it. I think it translates more red in real life than it does on camera, but hopefully you can see that it's such a nice color to wear. It's, you know what, the kind of red or berry color where if you're too scared to wear a bright statement red, this would be a good alternative. And last but not least, it's 𝕊𝕕𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑. So 𝕊𝕕𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑 is a great nude, slightly browny color. And again, like I said, I already have this in my collection, but I love it, and so I'm not surprised that Lisa used it for her lip look. So this is 𝕊𝕕𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑. So when we're looking at lip colours, obviously 𝕊𝕕𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑 looked very different on Lisa, but several things we need to take into consideration. Her lip tone could be completely different to mine. Secondly, she's got more luscious lips than me. But thirdly, there's studio lighting. So where she's in studio lighting, it's going to be really harsh, bright lights, and that could actually mute the color a little bit and make it look a lot more peachier. Whereas on me, it's coming across more brown, which is definitely the undertone of this lipstick color. If I swatch it on my hand, that's what 𝕊𝕕𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑 looks like on the end. So these are all 5 swatches of the lipsticks included in this Showstopper lipstick kit. Final thoughts, guys, before my mini transformation. I absolutely am so impressed with everything I tried today. Like I said earlier, I am loving the glitter eyes. I love the lashes. I love the lips. Even with this kit, I feel like with lipstick kits, it's so easy to like 2-3 colors maybe out of 5 in a kit like this, and the rest you're like, I would never wear them again. Whereas with me, the only one color I wasn't sure of was the one in the middle, which is Fall in Love. But even then, it's not like it didn't suit me. I still felt like it suited me. It's something that I would wear maybe if I was having a midlife crisis, but it's actually a really, really nice kit. And more than anything, I think the colours that would actually go and suit majority of skin tones, which is such an important thing these days. So if you want a really versatile lip kit where you don't have to think about colours and just kind of want a range of nudes to reds to kind of darker colours to brighter colours, this is a perfect lip kit. Watch out for the mini transformation at the end. In the meantime, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this. I hope you had just as much fun watching as I did recreating this look. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.
We don't have to do anything. The scent of skin is strong enough. Huddle a little bit closer, babe. Let's see if I can warm you up. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Butterflies in my stomach, butterflies in my chest.